Hi, my name's Tyson, and welcome to my drum major tutorial video series. I'm a drum major in rural Minnesota. Our band is about 140 in the summer, 9 through 12. We mainly focus on parade performances, walking down the street, and performing at halftime, even though our band chooses not to do field marching, as you may know it. I think it's important for everyone to know everybody else's why. Why are they doing this video series? Well, primarily for me, it's because I did not have the fantastic opportunity to teach the next generation of high school drum majors at my alma mater because of the coronavirus. So here I am. For drum majors at my alma mater, when I say at my school, this is what we do. That's your hint to know that that's what the precedent has been set at our school for drum majors. Know that it's your band now, so adjust as you see fit, if that's what's comfortable and that's what's been done for a long time. For everyone else, please enjoy. When I went out to do research for learning what I needed to know, I had a very difficult time finding videos of what I was looking for. I had to go combine videos of military drum major tutorials to videos of very showy, gaudy drum majors for fantastic and crazy field performances. So this tutorial combines all of that knowledge I learned, along with the experience I have from being a 3-year veteran of being a high school drum major in my town. In this first video, we're just going to talk about the basic ideas of being a drum major. Obviously, as a drum major, you're the one in a different color. You might be the one with the tall buffalo hat, or the one with the beret standing in front of everyone. You have to own that role. As a drum major, you knew you were walking into this. As the person in front of the whole entire band in a different color, it's very important that you exude confidence, as you are what everyone is looking at least to start. It's so important that as you go forward, you are so sharp, precise, and pristine about all your movements. Because, again, people look to you first. You have to be able to stand, proud as a peach, in front of a grandstand full of people at halftime for a Friday night football game. You have to be able to walk or march down a parade route in Bristol, Rhode Island, with crazy people dancing along the curbs as you have sweat dripping off your face after 5 miles, and still be as stoic, sharp, and pristine as ever. As a drum major, you're also a teacher of the group. You have to help people find what they need to do if they're a little confused. Depending on your band dynamics, this could take very different shapes. In our band, we have a lot of different people choose to join, so you have to be very careful about how you offer instruction. There are many people who, if you offer direct and clear instructions, may not take that very well and shut you out. Obviously, that's a suboptimal experience. If you have the band dynamic where everyone there is really gung-ho, then you can offer that direct instruction, and they should take that very well. Also, as a drum major, you're supposed to be a weight off your director's shoulders. In most circumstances, the director will give you the room to work with that you need, and you'll run with it. In some situations, though, the director may give you half an inch and expect you to take a mile, or not allow you to try out new things, which is alright. You just have to find out what your director and band are comfortable with you doing. Again, you have to own the part. That's what you signed up for. In the next video, we're going to talk about directing patterns and basic attention standing techniques, you could say. But as we go forward always remember, you have to be very, very confident. That's something I can't teach. Something that many people would have a hard time teaching to you. But it is paramount in exercising your duties as a drum major. Have some pride. In most cases, we work to be here. We auditioned for the spot. We saw drum majors growing up and look up to them. And here we are. This is our chance. Own it. Stick around for the next one.